Good morning, everybody. Let's go. Here we go today. Look at the stock market tanking off here at market open, guys. It is not looking good here today at all. BABA's falling off. SPY's falling off. We're actually seeing a lot of stocks moving off to the downside. So be very, very careful today as we are going forward. Should see a lot of crazy price action. No, Peter, nothing's wrong. No, I don't know what, nothing's wrong. Just starting it up here. I guess what's wrong is the fucking market. Look at this, all the way down to below 410. Fuck, I would say that's what's bad. Man, yeah, drop down below 410, all the way down to 408, 406, 404. Man, I feel like we're going to be retesting 400 sometime in the shorter term, that's for sure. That was a pretty big uptrend yesterday, I'd say, though. Like, we had a pretty exciting day, to be honest. Overall, very exciting. You know, big move to the upside. But right now, the big worry is this market falling off. That's just a terrible drop off to the downside. But hey, thanks everybody for joining up. Bill, Jamie, Xbox, Peter, Mike, Warren, Keisha, and Marty. Appreciate you guys, seriously, as always. Love you guys being in here. Love to see all your faces again. But man, that SPY today is looking rough. Seriously, that is a rough move at open. I'm hoping that we can, I don't know, maybe start to even out as the day goes on. But as of now, just so many stocks across the board are looking rough. Whether it's AMD or SPY or NVIDIA. If it load. Is it going to load? There we go. NVIDIA, QQQ. Man, the only stock I have in the green right now is Palantir, and that's just because of their earnings last night. And hell, even they're falling back down. Man, just about everything's in the red. Even like crude oil's falling off to the downside in a crazy way. Look at crude, under $80. What the hell's going on with that? BABA's down a lot. Uh-oh. Those puts I bought the other day. Were you guys on the stream when I said I bought those puts? They're not even winning yet. So fucking bad their theta has been. But yeah, there we go, Baba. Still trying not to curse as much. Trying to watch my mouth, guys. It's hard once you get used to it. Hard. I saw an interview with that Gary V guy. He was on live TV, and he goes, the biggest thing I was trying to do on live TV was trying not to curse. He goes, that was my biggest fear. Man, Baba, all the way down to 102. I'm not even winning on the option. Are you kidding me, Baba? Come on now. Gosh. Bought it in a bad time. Come on now. There we go. Now we're up. There we go. Oh, no, we're not. Darn it, Baba. Yeah, I bought in on Friday at some point. Trying to see. I wonder where I bought in. Maybe like here. It was on the stream, I remember. I just can't remember when I exactly got into it. Yesterday was a pullback, which messed the price, the options pricing all up. And now it's tanking off. Getting all up now. Xbox says any live trades. Yeah, I'm still looking at my BABA live trade from Friday. I'm still holding those puts. Probably not going to trade anything myself here on a day trade yet, especially not to the downside with my BABA downside play already in order here. Let's see, man. SPY. Why is it coming back now? I don't like trading right after all this volatility usually. Not my favorite, especially when it's moving like this, but I'll probably just wait for the bot play. You know, that'll probably be what I do. Marty says AI is going up. AI is moving to the upside, up to 2160. Yeah, it's a pretty big resistance there from yesterday, too. They're up 2%. Yeah, they got a long way to go. Long way to go. Yeah, I know, Keisha. I'm trying. Hey, Gengar. I hope your morning's going well. Hope you're enjoying yourself today. Xbox says Palantir made me happy in after hours. Sold out, made $300 profit. Very nice. Yeah, Palantir had that really nice move. I was enjoying covering that earnings last night. It was actually a very well, I got a lot of enjoyment out of covering their earnings. You know that the CEO came out, he announced that they were positive for the first time. Looks like they're finally profitable, which is good. So I'm glad to see that. But yeah, Palantir's gonna have a long way to go here. I mean, on their daily chart, they still are very, very low in the short term. There's a big support at $7, even a big one down there around $6. You can tell over the past 6 months, we've been getting a lot of price action within this small range on Palantir. And I feel like with that good earnings coming out, we might finally get a big push up and out of this range that we've been stuck in. This range that we've been stuck in has been kind of, since I don't want to curse, it's sucked. Okay, it's hard not to. It was very I don't know. It was very negative to stay in there for so long. Man, poor Palantir though. What about Nvidia? They're starting to break out a little bit better. That's a good win, though, Xbox. W's for Xbox, guys. W's all around. Better get the clapping going on here. Yeah, there we go. Got the claps coming in. You know what? We're going to do 2 claps today. 2 claps. There we go. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Oh man, I just died in the background here. Don't know what got into there. Wow, Nvidia though. I love that daily chart. Just seems so overextended in the short term, you know? Like over the past couple weeks, it's just so high. Glad it's coming back up now though. Maybe SPY will also continue to move up. Gotta love the SPY, right? Yeah, I know, Marty. I realized that right off the bat. I was like, oh no. I was like, I ruined it today. Darn it. Ruined day 1. It's all right though. Palantir's his only green stock. Wow, Bill. Yeah, you know, looking at my watch list, there's not a lot of them green, so I'm not surprised. I'm surprised Nvidia and Coinbase are green. Coinbase is somehow green. Nvidia is actually green. Weird. Tesla's kind of green too. Maybe big tech will be coming back today. Apple? Apple's not though. Same thing, Microsoft. Microsoft's holding up better than Apple was at least, but definitely not good moves here. Yeah, there's a big resistance on Tessie at 200. Looks like we rejected there in pre-market again. Are you kidding me? How many times are we going to reject off this spot? I mean, it kind of reminds me of like SpongeBob or something, man.
How many times do we have to teach you this lesson, old man?
Like it just rejects, and rejects off 200. It's just, and it seems like in pre-market it keeps happening too. Like look at Monday yesterday. Kind of had a nice little jump up towards there. Another one. What about our good friends over at DraftKings today? Oh, that's too bad. I was hoping for some DraftKings movement. Oh, what about Coca-Cola? Little bit of uptrend, I guess not really a lot, but they're trying to move. Yeah, I'm glad that Tesla's up in the green too. Yeah, my watch list is slowly becoming more and more green. Now we have AMD in there. At least they were for a second. They're kind of switching in and out. Same thing with Tesla. Few of them are like right on the brink of being green or red. You know, right around like 0% on the day. Like UAL and Win right now are at 0%. Wow, a lot of stocks in the red though. I'm still looking at BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond. Man, they pulled back so hard after having that recent uptrend. We got to see that. Wow. I can't believe that this stock recently ran up to 7 and then fell all the way back down to $1.80. I remember all the movement was foregone, right? Whenever the CEOs or the owners, they whoever it was, the board maybe, they pretty much announced a offering, I believe it was, a $1 billion offering or something to try to get some cash. Yeah, I don't know. Some of these companies are just on their way out, I feel like AMC might stick around for a little while. BBBY might stick around for a little while, but they're like dying companies, just dying stocks. Everybody wants to see a dying stock come back though, I guess, is what the big thing is. Kind of a cool trend there with AMC. Let's see, SoFi. They're also in the dumps today. Man, they had such good earnings and ran up and had a nice continuation play. Now the whole top part of my watch list is green, just about, which is cool. Yeah, AI, guys. Eye that up. Eye up the AI. This thing's moving. Wow, 4.5%. The average percent rise is 3.5%, so we'll take that. Good move today. Great move, I'd say. BBBY had some news yesterday. Let's see. BBBY. Let's go see if we can find it. Fancy record player. I like it. Mr. Deeds. I don't remember that one. Xbox in there. I don't remember the joke in there. We'll have to watch the scene from that. BBBY had some good news, I think, yesterday. A couple days ago. Wow, Bill bought some Apple calls. He's up 8.5%. Nice. Nice. Peter says, how about drinking a fountain that dispenses fruit punch? What? A drinking fountain? That sounds kind of nice, Peter. I wish I had one of those right now that it dispensed fruit punch so I could drink it at the moment because I'm hungry. Or no, I'm thirsty is what I mean. Man, Baba, come on. I know you China stocks want to fall down. Quit teasing me. See how that SPY moves, though. I will say, guys, let's talk about the inflation reading. I'm surprised none of you guys... Oh, there was a drinking... Oh, there was! Oh my gosh. I remember it now. There was. I remember that. Oh. I can't believe I forgot that. Man, I'm missing out, guys. I need to go watch Mr. Deeds again, it sounds like. Darn it. Of course, everybody knows the scene with the foot. I like that scene whenever I like that crazy guy in there, the crazy eyes guy. Those guys are funny. How's Kellogg's and Kraft? Not really doing much. Walmart. I don't know. Walmart looks kind of good. What about Johnson's Johnson? Johnson and Johnson, I should say. J&J looking good. I can't believe that I forgot about that drinking fountain there. I used to think that was so cool. I would hire some housekeepers to stand by the fountain just to wipe the thing clean so it didn't get sticky from the fruit punch. Or I would make a sugar-free one or something. Palantir is kind of double bottoming at 8:30. You guys should check that out. Maybe they'll have a post-earnings move today. That'd be nice. Hey, guys, Nvidia is breaking out. What's going on? Wow, Nvidia breaking out. Woo. Wow. Yeah, pre-market highs have been broken on Nvidia. Look at that. AMD had a big move up into 84 as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into those inflation numbers really quick because those are going to be very, very important for today. Now, personally, I'm kind of seeing the market falling down here. Nat just said BA. Holy shit, BA, let's go. Boeing, there we go. I talked about this in last night's video. But getting back to the inflation numbers, 6.4% is where we came in. Now, they were expecting 6.2 to 6.3. Now, this really worries me because I feel like that we're not falling at the pace that people are hoping. You know, you can see here that the drop from the most recent report to now is actually a lot less. So you can kind of tell that. It's only 0.1% difference. Look at this, 0.6% difference. 0.6% difference again. 0.5% difference. Then we had a 0.1%. Let's see, when was that one? I wish I could get the exact day. Let's see. Maybe I can. It'd be cool if I could. July, August, September. So it was the September one. September inflation reading 2022. I don't want the CPI. I just want the year over year. Why? God damn it. Why do they do that? I meant dang it. I meant god dang it. This is what I meant to say. I didn't say it, guys. You didn't hear it, I swear. Come on. Just give me the reading. Sometimes these data websites are just so dumb. Here we go. All right. I'm not really seeing anything too crazy here. Yeah, I don't really... I'm trying to find the exact day. Let's see. Maybe this will be it. Friday, October 14th? No. That's annoying. I want to find the day to see when it moved, but... I know, though, that inflation reading coming in right around even is just not good. That's exactly what you don't want, guys. You do not want that inflation reading to be slower. And that's... I feel like that's going to spook the markets. But as we can see, some of these stocks do not seem to care. And the market doesn't seem to really care either. I guess because inflation's still falling down, just not as people hoped, I guess. But it was negative. There was some selling pressure there. There was some selling. I've already prayed for you. That's good, Xbox. I'm glad. Thank you. How's or reality income? That's got me like dying out here. How dare I say that?
How dare you?
That's my favorite sound button, guys, by far. How dare you? Oh, I love it. Xbox, that is funny. You guys got me. You guys are doing some good jokes today. I like it. Bill says he killed the CPI. Yeah, it was butt cheeks on eggshells for sure. I don't know. It ended up not being very... I don't know. Not as eventful as I would have hoped. The bot called out NVIDIA calls. Which one? Warren, are you talking about the sniper bot play? Or are you talking about Mr. Hybrid? I don't think the sniper bot called out NVIDIA yesterday. Oh, it did. I see. That was on Friday. It called out puts. On Friday, it called out puts. But Friday was good. It was actually falling down a lot. That's good. Yeah, it was like the bot. Oh, SM bot. Okay. Gotcha. Yeah, SM bot's always calling it out. They're always calling them out. I love the SM bot. It's one of my favorites to look at for momentum. Man, if you guys are day traders out there, I'd recommend I would check out stat modeling just for the SM bot, honestly. Seriously, I think it's worth it just for that. But hey, you get everything else too. You'll get the sniper bot day trades, the hybrid bot day trades, you'll get all of them. But hey, the SM bot itself is one of my favorites. Here it is right now. Calling out AMD calls, Boeing calls, Shopify calls, TSM. Let's go see AMD. Wow, yeah, look at that flying up. Boeing flying up too. There we go. Here, I'll post a link if you guys are interested. This is the Discord link here. Check it out if you're not in the Discord yet. I know a lot of you guys are, of course, but if you aren't, there's a link to join the Discord. It's free to join, of course, but as always, we do have the premium plays, and the SM bot is premium. It just called out, oh, wow, a ton of NVIDIA calls now. Look at that. Just called it out 8 times. That means it usually has a lot of momentum there at that time. Yes, it does. It did. That's for sure. It's getting a little overextended. Getting a little bit. There's the link, though, for the SM bot if you guys want to check that out. I will say, I love it as a screener. It's not meant that, like, you're not meant to do it like, oh, it's saying NVIDIA calls, I'm just going to buy them right away. It's pretty much showing you what has momentum. So, like, we could go check out Coinbase, AMD, NVIDIA, and go check those out and see what they look like, and then maybe make a play. So, like, Coinbase here looks a little bit better than NVIDIA, for example, which is already a little high and a little, starting to turn over maybe a little bit. I think it still has room, but right now, a little bit of a pullback. Just Coinbase looks a little bit better, I'd say. Love it, though. Sean says he always has it going in a web browser on the side of his screen. Very nice. That's awesome, Sean. Nice stuff. Cool, cool. That's awesome to see or hear. Yeah, this is pretty nuts, though. The SPY has had a weird morning. We really tanked off all the way down to 410, 409.50, right around that big support. Came all the way back up. Now we're rejecting right off 412.50, which is right. I've had this level on here. I haven't been, changing it around, but we're rejecting, like, right off of it again. Very strange day. I wonder, like, if it's just going to be, like, a mixed day because the report's probably a little bit mixed. It's probably a little bit mixed. Oh, wow. Nice, Sean. Yeah, he has the whole setup going. And Keisha likes General Dynamics, which I like as well. I like that too, Keisha, especially with all this China stuff going on. I do like that as well. Hey, do I have any car mechanics in the chat? If we do, I have a question for one of you. If you are, obviously, no pressure, of course. But yeah, GD looks good. Sean, thinking of that, I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the 4-chart setup. Might as well, right? Let's get our 4-chart setup going here today. If my Thinkorswim didn't always shut down, it would already have been up. DXY, got the dollar over there. How's the SPY? Okay, got over here NVIDIA, of course. Can't leave them off there. Let's see, what do we want to have on the top left? Tessie. Tessie at the top. Whoa, Tessie's about to retest 200. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. How could that even happen like this? Remember what we said earlier about 200, guys.
How many times do we have to teach you this lesson, old man?
I don't know. I think we might finally get up through here. I don't know. Maybe we'll reject again. Hard to say. I would say with today's Momo, though, across the board, kind of looks like we're going to be going up, in my opinion. 100% seems that way. Boy, that move. Oh, yeah, there we go. Up through 200, top left chart. With Tessie. Wow, Tessie above 200. What is going on? Gonna throw it in the discussion chat. Tessie over 200, though. Wow. Hopefully it can keep going. Come on, Tesla. Do not fake us out. That would be very upsetting today. I'd be pissed if Tesla faked us out. I would actually be a little bit upset if they did that. I think my no cursing day would turn into a curse fest if Tesla faked everyone out here. If they're getting above 200, I'd have to say that's a good move. I mean, that's a solid break this morning, that's for sure. Very nice. Got the dollar starting to sell off a little bit on the right side of the screen. SPY's moving up. Breaking out again, too. There we go. I love this. Today's been a good day, guys. You know, I'll say a lot of good price action. I might have wanted the market to fall, but I wasn't necessarily, like, holding anything crazy because of it. Xbox says that's his favorite SpongeBob joke. Here, I gotta show you guys a scene of my favorite one. Hang on. I'm gonna show you guys a little scene here. We're gonna do a little fun thing today. I hope it don't make us get banned. Let's see. SpongeBob. Sandy fights Patrick. What were they fighting? They're like instruments. Yeah, instruments. That's right. Here it is. Okay. Hang on. Let me see here what's going on. Okay. All right. Well, we're going to watch 60 seconds of this because it looks like Tessie's going to start to turn over here a little bit. So as it turns over for 60 seconds, we're going to check this out. I think you guys will like this. It's going to be pretty funny. Pretty funny. Put your laughing hats on here. Laughing hat time.
Let's just try stepping in rhythm. Now I want 5.
Is this the part where we start kicking?
No, SpongeBob, that's a chorus line.
Kicking? Oh, I want to do some kicking.
Why, you?
Whoever's the owner of the white sedan, you left your lights on.
I don't know why. I just love that one for some reason. I think that is like one of the funniest ones out there for some reason. But yeah, there's a lot of good ones. You know, SpongeBob's the OG. It's the OG TV show, you know. Definitely is. I know, right? Easy, man. The market, I never expected this. I never expected a big drop down, then a move up. It's been a very mixed day. I'm a little bit worried. The thing that I'm still happy about with SPY overall is let's go to that daily chart. I need to delete some of these short-term levels, though, unfortunately. Bam, bam. All right, so if we go to that daily chart, you know, SPY's still breaking out, guys, above the trend line. So we still need to keep that in the back of our minds that this break of the trend line should hold up as being pretty bullish here. I was kind of thinking we might test 400 before going back up, though, but I don't know. If we start to maybe move up now, if we could somehow get up to like 430, if we could get above 420 and push like 425, 430 on the SPY, that would be amazing. I think that'll be a great time for a breakout once we start to see that come in. Oh, they caught me, guys. They knew what I was doing with the SpongeBob. Uh-oh. That was... Oh. Uh-oh. That's not good. It's so dumb. You know, you play like 2 seconds. I always say this, if it's such a big deal, how come it's allowed to be out there? How come they have it on their damn platform? Oh, I cursed again. Sorry. I didn't even think about that one. Man, Palantir on the daily looks really good, guys. I would seriously eye this thing up. It's having a nice, like, post-earnings move up, too. I like it. Nvidia's going to 230. Let's see our 4-chart setup. Yeah, it is. Look at that. Almost there. Tessie got up to 204. Tessie over 200. Not one person mentioned Tessie. Coinbase, 60 strike calls on the sniper bot. Coinbase, I guess we'll throw that in the top left. Come on, coin. Tessie is going bananas. It's crazy. Yeah, Tessie's nuts here. Boeing's been nuts too. Like, we've been getting a few nut stocks today. Kind of nuts, I'd say. Hey guys, if you guys are liking the stream, please smash that like button. I should say guys and gals. If you guys are enjoying it, smash the button, please. I would appreciate that. If you're not enjoying it, roast me in the comments. You know, hey, the comments help too. That'd be kind of nice. You know, I will say though, I got a little bit burned today because I had those BABA puts I was talking to you about. So, got a little bit burned today. We did cut the premium play on AMD yesterday. Glad we did that. We had AMD puts. I didn't want to risk it into the event, though. And thank God we didn't. Thank God we didn't do that. He's too busy working, can't keep his eyes on the chart the way he wants to. Yeah, I feel you, Xbox. Sometimes it's like that. Sometimes it's like that. I feel you. I hope over the next couple days you can maybe catch some good time, though. Maybe have some, you know, a little bit of downtime or something. Maybe tell him you got to go to the bathroom, Xbox. Xbox, tell him you got to go to the bathroom and go take like a big bathroom break. My dad owns a business, and that's what the people do there. That's what they do whenever they just want to be on their phone. Every time. Every time they do that, I swear. Half the morning, these people are in the damn bathroom. Oh, I said damn again. DraftKings, let's see it. DraftKings moving up. Nice, Sean. Woo! Let's go. Let's go DraftKings, guys. That's actually good. Let's go. I like it. That is very nice. Let's get some clapping. Yeah. Yeah, clap for DraftKings. That's right. We need to clap for it more. DraftKings needs to make it clap is what it needs to do. I'm really hoping DraftKings falls down a little bit more, but if it goes up, I'd be happy too. I always like to put more and more in. You know, I want that average to be lower and lower and lower and lower. So, need to get in real low. Palantir is still trying to come back up. I love this daily on Palantir. And I love that turnaround move today. That big gap up, I think that we'll see a continuation for a little while with this one. I'm not saying just go throw all your money into calls, but I feel like for a swing, it might not be a bad idea. I'm not lying. Not gonna lie. Let's like eye up maybe some of the pricing on some leaps for our boy Palantir. I was actually really happy with that earnings report, guys. Like, I was pretty darn happy with it. I'll tell you guys what. These leaps on Palantir are not very expensive. I will tell you that. So, I think we're going to have to be picking up a couple leaps here today on our boy Palantir. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There it goes. Did you guys hear it? You probably heard it, I'm sure. We got a few of the 10 strike leaps. Nothing too crazy. I think it could be a good little leap play, though. I like it. Nice. As soon as I bought it, the price started going up. We'll take that. I'll take it. Got a few of those 10 strike calls for January of 2024. So we'll see how that goes this year. 10 strike calls. They are a little bit out the money. Okay, I'll give it that. But I'm a big believer that Palantir is going to be potentially coming up and retesting 1150 sometime eventually. I could see a retest of this area soon. Now, you know, just the question is how long are we going to stay low? That's the question. But it's not that much money risked either. I think the risk to reward on this one's great, guys. I think this one's great. Honestly, it's cheap options. And if they start to fly up, I mean, we're going to see these options start to explode. So, I don't know. I think it's a good candidate for that. Or maybe even shorting some puts if you really want to get, you know, into it as well. Get some shares. Shorting puts might be the way. Not bad. You could pick up 100 shares for $870 too. That wouldn't be a bad way either. That'd be a totally good way, in my opinion. Great way. Great way to go. I know a lot of you guys are already in our boy Palantir, though. Xbox said, check my Discord. What happened? Oh. Holy Xbox. This is what Xbox is going through here. It's like snow rain. Snowing a little bit. Wow. What's this? Is that grain? That's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm glad the snow stopped though, Xbox. That's good. That is good. Sean says, I'm tired of lowering my DraftKings. No. Yeah, I'm with you, Sean. They'll be good, though. I like to say that, too, Sean. I like to say that, too. Yeah, I also like to say it. Not bad. Not bad. Me and my one buddy, we're good friends. We're always having some fun banter with each other. Sean, if my buddy hits a good shot, we're like freak you, man. You know, we're like F you. we call each other a-holes if we hit good shots. But then we'll always say good shot and all that, you know. Oh, it was grass seed. I see. Grass seed. Okay. Nice. Talking about grass seed, I'm going to have to get some of that this year. Probably. The good old grass seed. Yeah. I like how Warren laughed at it. I'm trying not to say his words as bad. Yeah, Keisha. Thank you for noticing, guys. I appreciate you guys for noticing that one. Oh, that's good. I like it. Man, Spy's really coming back. Surprised me. It surprised me. Hey, Lead says, do you want to play some chess? Yeah, I'll get my daily chess game in. Hey, Lead. Here, I'll get on the website. We'll get it in. Get it in. I need to learn how to be quicker with the chess. How come I don't just auto log in? Yeah, please remember it next time. Please. All right, A-Lead, invite me up here. Uh-oh, Purdy's rank went down. Purdy, what's going on? That's funny. Yeah, we'll do a little side-by-side chess real quick with A-Lead. Get our daily game in here real quick. We'll get it over with early today. It's going to be tough to do chess without cursing, though, I'll tell you. It's going to be a tough one for me. Today, we'll just act like we don't care about it as much. How about that? Yeah. Yeah, we don't care as much today. All right, A-Lead, invite me up. Here we go. Should be right here, right? Should pop up somewhere. There it is. 30 minutes. I like it. Wow, my rating is better than A-Lead's rating. There we go. I can't play Purdy anymore. He makes me too mad. Nice. He's in Oregon. That's what I thought. Yeah. Hey, yeah. Does anyone have any big Valentine's Day things going on? That'd be nice. Yeah, let's hear what everyone has going. Be nice and cool. I know I actually I got my girlfriend some flowers. Let me see if I can get a picture of the flowers. Tell me let me know if you guys think I did good. We'll see if I did good or not. Oh, it's my move? What does it mean we'll auto abort? What's that? What's auto abort? Does that mean it just goes to your turn? Uh-oh. Got the good old game going. Yeah, let me see if I can get my my stuff going here. Flowers. Let's see. It's so dumb. There we go. Getting a little mad at this. Apple News, spy balloon discovered. Uh-oh. Watch out for the spy balloon, guys. Let me know if you guys see anything with momentum at the very moment. At the moment, I'm just not seeing too much Momo. Oh, wow. Elite had like 20 wins in a row. Hang on, guys, just answering a question in Discord real quick. All right, he moved his knight. What are you doing with that knight over there? You're scaring me with that. Trying to scare me with your knight? We ain't scared of no knights around here. Hmm. Tesla's moving up? Okay, okay. Here we go. I found my picture of my roses. To be on the left side of the screen, guys, I do good. It's just normal roses, but hey, I guess getting them's better than nothing, right? Just normal roses. Market gets bad news. Got a blast, Agni says. Did it? What was the bad news? Oh, to this morning, you mean? Yeah. Pamela Who? I'm not even gonna say that. Uh-oh. I feel like you're gonna get me in trouble, Xbox. I don't know. I don't know what you're saying right now. I'm getting scared, though. This is a good game of chess, though, guys. I kind of like this one. Pretty good. That spy, though, is moving around well. Starting to fall back down now, of course. We bounced off 415. Who would have guessed, right? 415. Hmm. All right. Let's see what we got with the NVIDIA here. Might take the ladies for work. Marty says, I might take the ladies for work out for dinner since they're also out of state alone. Oh, that's good, Marty. Yeah, do that. That'd be nice. Maybe you guys could go to the club, Marty. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Somebody help me understand the market. I'm with you, Mike. I'm with you. I'll try. I'll try, but see what we can do. What price did I buy in on Palantir? I got into those options. It's the 10 strike calls for January 19th of 2024. I got in at 1.74. At 1.74 on those. So we'll see how they go. It's tough to do that on a day Palantir's up 15%, but they are leaps. I'm going to be holding them. I'm not really going to worry about it all too much. I mean, it's definitely a worry, but I thought you owned it. No, I don't own that one, Keisha. Nope. I do not own that one. I talk about it a lot. I like it. I've been waiting for some better news to come out. I think this might finally be the better news that, you know, propels me into buying it. I'll probably wait to buy it until, like, you know, the uptrend, but I don't know. This seems like a good spot to start buying it, honestly, to me. Pretty good. I mean, obviously, you could have bought it lower, of course, but, you know, it is what it is. Do that on the weekends. Oh, I see. That's awesome, Marty. Yeah, that's cool, though. I was gonna go out for a dinner, but yeah, we're not gonna this time. Not gonna go out. Not this time. What time is the meeting today? What meeting, Keisha? Or I mean, Marty? Marty, which meeting did you mean? Let me see. Is there a meeting? I didn't know. I don't think there is a meeting today. Do you mean the OPEC meeting? I don't know. Maybe there's one of those. Maybe you're getting confused with the FOMC, Marty. That might be what's going on. Maybe the FOMC. Yeah, I mean, I love Palantir for the long term. I just, you know, they just are what they are. CPI meeting came out. Yeah. It's not a meeting, though. You know, it wouldn't be a meeting that came out, but yeah, I feel you. Feel what you're saying? Ah, this guy's not a danger to me. Not one bit. This is a pretty good game of chess here this time. Yeah. Yeah, I get you, Agni. I got what you were saying. Yeah, it's the same, but it ain't the same. You know? That is true. Marty says, for some reason, the husband don't mind going out with their boss lady. At first, they were mad when they did know Marty was a woman. Marty, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. If I can't lie, I would be one of those ones. I would have been sitting there like, oh yeah. I would have been like, yeah, babe. I don't think you're going out tonight with that guy. I know exactly what you're saying, Marty. That's actually pretty funny. That's pretty funny. But hey, is anybody else doing anything interesting? Anyone else like going out, having any fun? You know, anything like that? Hmm. Now the game's getting good. Oh. Game of chess is good now. For Valentine's Day, I'm playing Hogwarts Legacy and eating Oreos. That's funny, Warren. What about you, Keisha? Are you doing anything on Valentine's Day? What about with Palantir? What about with the Palantir? That'd be kind of cool. I don't mind that. Purdy says, go my girl pregnancy pillow and a Kindle. Got her that. Taking her to her favorite steakhouse for dinner last Valentine's Day alone. Oh, nice. Nice. I see what you're saying there, Purdy. Congratulations. I hope everything goes well for that. That'd be nice. Oh, Keisha don't celebrate it, guys. Uh-oh. I know some people like that, Keisha. I feel you. I celebrate it, though. I love this. It's one of my favorite holidays, actually. One to keep the love alive. One to keep the love alive. Mike says, nope, I need DraftKings to pop before I take the wifey out. That's what I'm saying, Mike. No stake until DraftKings goes up. I'm telling you. No, I didn't hear about that, Keisha. Let me know. Send me a link if you find it. I didn't hear about that. I'm not surprised, though. Oh, it's my turn? Oh. I see, it's my turn. Okay. Insiders would need to wait at least 90 days after setting up a prearranged trading plan before selling the stock. I actually heard about that a while ago, Keisha. I don't know if I heard about it with them or if I heard about it with like Congress or maybe something with like Powell or something like that, like the feds, something like that. I feel like I've heard something of that, like very similar to that, anyways. Might not be the same thing, but that's cool. Yeah, that's cool though. Maybe we'll do this. We'll go pop. Tessie, don't fall under 200. Let's see, good old Tesla here today. TSLA. Uh-oh. I bet you it bounces off 200 and probably goes back up. I mean, that's a pretty big level, right? We're going to have to be seeing, like, selling all across the stock market. And we are, kind of, but... Wow. A SPY off 415. Perfectly off to the downside there. Nvidia's falling back down. The dollar's actually popping up a little now. Popping back up. Wow. Yeah, I knew this guy was going to do this. This game's getting pretty good. Yeah, let me know what you guys see with any Momo here. 90 days, though, before selling the stock. Let me know if you guys think that would be good for insider trading. Like, do you think that's helpful or not? I don't know. I don't know. Starting to get some action going in this game, finally. Yeah, I hope he did too. That's a big run with Apple there. Xbox says he's considering starting a position in Apple. What should I consider a good entry point? Yeah, let's look at that real quick. Let's go look at Apple. Good old Apple here. Wow, SPY falling all the way back off. Kind of doing what I thought it would do now. Now it's starting to move how I thought. There we go. Just had to get volatile for us. This is how I thought it would go in the beginning of the morning. Freaking nuts. Purdy says, I think elected officials should only be allowed to invest in ETFs and mutual funds, no single stocks. Yeah, that is true. It is true. I kind of feel like that too. Sometimes I kind of like that they're able to, but at the same times I don't. I don't know. They definitely shouldn't be allowed to short things. I will say that. I don't think that they should be allowed to go short or like go against the market. I don't know. I don't know. You get what I'm saying? Like, at least they're doing it to the upside most of the time. If they're not, then that's bad, but... And we know sometimes that they know that stuff is going to go out, so they sell it, you know, because they know it's going to go down and stuff, so... I don't know, it's weird. It is very unfair, though. It's very... It's just... Yeah, I mean, it's insider trading. It is. If it's illegal for a hedge fund manager or, like, someone who owns a bank to do insider trading or something... then it's possible for Congress to do it, you know, and then they should get in trouble too. They should get in trouble the same exact way because they know exactly what's going to go on. They know exactly what's going to happen. Now, Cornish, that would be good. That would be really, really good. Yeah, they should have it where it's in real-time public info. That's what pisses me off about that stuff because they'll have it to where you know, they report it like 60 days, 90 days after it happens, or 30 days after, or a couple weeks, or whatever, and then you don't even know what happened at that point. Or it already played out, you know, or whatever. So, like, I'm with Sean. I think that they should be in real time at least. At least in real time. Public info, yeah. Yeah. I'm with you, Agni. I'm with you. They all don't win like that though, but some things we got to keep in mind is that some of these people, now some of them do trade often, but a lot of these guys are just holding stuff for the long term, you know, and they just make a lot that way too. Keep that in mind. But Usually they buy in at better times and stuff, of course. In some cases, like with Pelosi and a lot of stocks, yeah. And others, of course. There is a lot of situations where it is, like, for example, like with Nvidia. I think like Pelosi was buying Nvidia, and then the government like did some contract with them or something. I think, or they were talking about using them for something or something. Yeah, it does seem a little. It is a little whack. You know, it is. It's just I feel like a lot of it's stemming to like jealousy, though. You know what I'm saying? Rather than it just being you know, I feel like most of it's stemming from like jealousy, rather than it just being like normal, feeling like it's like against the rules. But it is a little weird. I liked it when that Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez girl. I liked it whenever she asked the question about it. Here, we'll watch it. We'll watch it real quick. Think you guys will like it. AOC insider trading definition. This was actually pretty cool. Now, I am not for this lady by any means, okay? Like, by any means. But I thought what she said here was real. You know, I thought this sounded realistic compared to most of the stuff she says. I think it was this one.
Let's play a game. Let's play a
This is
lightning round game. I'm going to be the bad guy, which I'm sure half the room would agree with anyway. And I want to get away with as much bad things as possible, ideally to enrich myself and advance my interest, even if that means putting my interests ahead of the American people. So, if I want to run a campaign that is entirely funded by corporate political action committees, is there anything that legally prevents me from doing that?
No.
So let's say I'm a really, really bad guy, and let's say I have some skeletons in my closet that I need to cover up so that I can get elected. Mr. Smith, is it true that you wrote this article, this opinion piece for the Washington Post entitled, "These payments to women were unseemly, that doesn't mean they were illegal"?
Well, I can't see the piece, but I wrote a piece under that headline in the Post, so I assume that's right.
Okay, great. So, green light for hush money. I can do all sorts of terrible things. It's totally legal right now for me to pay people off. So, I use my special interest dark money funded campaign to pay off folks that I need to pay off and get elected. So, now I'm elected, now I'm in. I've got the power to draft, lobby, and shape the laws that govern the United States of America. Are there any limits on the laws that I can write or influence?
There's no limit.
So there's none. So I can be totally funded by oil and gas. I can be totally funded by Big Pharma. Come in, write Big Pharma laws, and there's no limits to that whatsoever.
That's right.
The last thing I want to do is get rich with as little work possible. That's really what I'm trying to do as the bad guy, right? So is there anything preventing me from holding stocks, say, in an oil or gas company, and then writing laws to deregulate that industry and cause, that could potentially cause the stock value to soar and accrue a lot of money in that time?
You could do that.
So I could do that. I could do that now with the way our current laws are set up. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, great. Is it possible that any elements of this story apply to our current government and our current public servants right now?
Yes.
Yes.
So we have a system that is fundamentally broken. We have these influences existing in this body, which means that these influences are here in this committee shaping the questions that are being asked of you all right now. Would you say that that's correct,
Yes.
Mr. Marabani or Mr. Schaub?
Yeah.
I love how she said that. Like, I remember that specific one because she asked him like very specifically, like, "Are you allowed to do this?" And they're like, "Yeah." It was kind of funny. Hey, how do I get these things to change? I thought I could change my king and my rook or whatever this is. Can't I? Can't I change my king in my castle, I thought? No? I guess not? Okay. Whatever. It is what it is, I guess. SPY, what about NVIDIA here? NVDA, AMD. Man, everything's falling off, guys. No! Tessie. Xbox says Tesla. No! Oh, no. That's not good. Not good. Not good at all. Wow, Tessie. Wow, wow, wow. Sean, I don't play this fucking game. What? I don't know these damn rules. There's too many of these. It's dumb. It's really, really dumb. Really dumb. Some of these rules. I feel like some of these rules, someone just started to like try them, and then they were like, "Yeah, do it that way." Yeah, apparently I can't Xbox because I already moved it. Apparently. Come on, Kellogg's, let's go. What about the Palantir? Let's see what we got moving on the SM bot with some momentum. Oh. Yeah, a lead said there was something else there. Sean, I don't really care enough to go look at YouTube. You know, I want to play the game and learn and have fun. I don't care about all these stupid things. You know, I play other things, you know, like golf. That's what I'm wasting my time on. Is the golf. I don't really care about the I've done well this one. I'd say we're pretty I've lost some pieces, but I like what's going on. I don't feel like I'm losing too bad yet. Too bad. Sean. Look at this big double top on the Palantir. Sean, what's your price on Palantir? I know you're into Palantir, right? I know you're into the Palantir. I kind of want to just take the person's queen off the board, man. I kind of want to just take it off. Should I just take their queen off? I feel like I should just do it. I'm just going to take their queen off the board. If I can. Don't know what to do with that queen, though, I'll tell you. I thought I could move my parts, but apparently that's not allowed. I go here. He was under $7. He's at 808. Nice stuff, Sean. That's a good price. Yeah, I like that price. And guys, you could buy in right now for pretty close. Pretty close on this dip today. You know, you won't be in at Sean's price, but you could get in at, where the hell are we? Here we are. Okay, like 840, 848, something like that. Not bad. Kind of like that. Uh-oh. You're getting all these parts out here now. It's getting scary. I don't know what I'm going to do against A-Lead here. Wow, Keisha's in at 953. Yeah, Sean's probably been averaging in a lot. 953. Let's see. Oh, wow, Keisha, you got in a while ago. I bet you Sean was in higher than 953, but he kept buying in down here at the lows. I would bet. Oh, yeah, that would be nice to get in an IRA, Sean. Oh, hang on. I forgot to get my drink. There we go. We're back. Okay. It's going to be a crazy day today, though. Oh, wow. He moved his castle? Okay. Man. HYPR is running out and says, Hyper. What is that? Oh, Hyper fine. What is up with this one? Wow, that looks like a pretty good penny stock today. Dang. That's awesome. Uh-oh. What the hell did you just take? Did I have a pawn there or something? Yeah, I guess you did. This is where the game's about to get interesting on this. Man, hyper though. What a day. Spy's bouncing right around 410 again. How many times are we gonna bounce off 410 and 415 this morning? It's been just a straight roller coaster today. And it literally looks like one because it's like going up nice and steady, stair step, boom. Seemed like the red candles were a lot larger in my opinion. I don't know what to do here. I don't know. I'm just gonna have to pick one, man. I mean, it's getting to the point where I'm just like, ah. I think my average on Palantir was around 834, Xbox said. That's not bad, though. Palantir, 834 is not bad. Did you get out, though? You said it was. Wow, I really like this one. I like it. I mean, intraday it even looks fire today, intraday. Intraday it looks awesome. Hopefully those options I bought end up doing pretty well this year. Could be a cool play. Okay, move his knight to there. God damn it. He beat me. That's what I was waiting for. It had to happen eventually, right? Can I not move? Oh, how am I in check? How am I in check? Oh, well, if I move him, I'm in check. I see. Sometimes the game just weird. I think I lost this one, guys. Now I lost for sure. It's a better game, though, than it is with Purdy. Purdy always destroys me quick. Purdy's always out here making it clap. Might as well just keep taking the pieces, right? Good. This game's getting really good now. Really good. I don't know what to do. He's got to move it. Yes. Yes, I love this game sometimes when this stuff happens. Ooh, it gets fun. Oh. It's over. Come here, you king. Let's fight it out. I want to move into your king just to fight him. I want to fight your king. This game doesn't let you do what you want. This is stupid. Alright, I'm just gonna resign. I want to make my king die, dude. Whatever. That was a good one, though, A-Lead. I enjoyed it. It lasted a little longer than some of the other ones. Kind of cool. Kind of cool in a way, but still looking at some stocks here. I mean, Palantir's coming back today. Kind of bouncing off the lower support, which is nice. Same thing with AMD. The SPY's trying. Do you guys think the SPY will get all the way back up again? Like, do you think that we're going to just go, like, zigzagging up here in between here? This is pretty insane today. Honestly. It really is. That's a lot of up and down price action. SPY looks pretty good here. Spy's looking all right. Palantir. What about the DraftKings, guys? I mean, I want to see the SM bot. Like, what's got the Momo? Where's the Momo at right now? That's the big thing. Where is the Momo? Looking at Intel puts and Cisco puts. Uh-oh, the Momo must be slowing down for the bot to be... Yeah, I think the Momo's slowing. Oh, shit. I think SM bot might have glitched. Yeah, Intel needs to get moving better, guys. Like, what's going on here with Intel? It's kind of crazy here, but... Yeah, hey, I appreciate you guys joining up today. I do. I hope you guys all have a fantastic Valentine's Day. I really do. I hope you guys have a good one. One of the more traditional holidays left, and I love it. So, thank you guys for joining up. Let's go Xbox, Alan, Sean, Agni, Purdy, Mike, Warren, Peter, Oliveira, Keisha, of course, if I didn't already say you, Corbin, Marty. But yeah, let's go, guys. Let's have a great day. It's gonna be a fun one. You know, maybe we'll get a... I don't know. You know, I thought we were gonna maybe get a bloody Valentine's Day for the market today. You know, like a bloody Valentine, but I guess that's not happening as of yet. The market's been very shaky. I feel like it wants to go down, but like, what's up with that price action at open? I'm just not a fan of it. I don't like it. Keisha, I lost. I lost the game. Sad. Has me sad. It's alright, though. It's alright. Good game to A-League. Good game. You know, so far, I think I'm like 0 for 4. I'm 0 for 4 on my attempts to win on this game, so we'll see how it continues to go. Yeah, Keisha, it was terrible. I messed it all up. Yeah, I blew it. Unfortunately. Blew it. Alright, though. It happens. It was a good game. I liked the game. It just... Sometimes that game's tough. The game's really, really tough. I like that game, though. I still want to play against some... I can't talk today. I want to play against somebody who's good, but not as good as these guys. I like that game. That was a good one. Hey, Leeds keeps trying to teach me some stuff. Trying to learn about it a little bit. Wow. Yeah, no, SM bot's fine. It's just not seeing any momentum at the moment. Got Palantir moving, Nvidia. Are we gonna get a secondary leg up today? That's my... Whoa. Do you see that lagging? Gosh, I don't know what... Oh my gosh. Wow, that was weird. Okay. My computer just lagged so bad that my mouse couldn't even move. It was like going... Like getting stuck, stuttering. Very weird. Yeah, this is pretty cool with NVIDIA, though. Maybe get a nice pop up. 226 seems like a pretty big resistance there. Yeah, this looks pretty good, though, NVIDIA. I like that resistance. I feel like that might be a good... I don't know. I'm looking for, like, that secondary leg up. We're kind of stuck here in this small range. I'm looking for, like, a move maybe below or above this range. Kind of like this. You know, maybe something like that today. I feel like it's going to be to the downside, but you never know in this type of market. Today's been nuts. Today has been insane, so don't know what to say about that one. Wow. Xbox says, if I dropped a G into Palantir right now, if it went up 10 cents, I would cash out so fast and be giddy like a schoolgirl. Oh my gosh, Xbox. Was not expecting to read that. The ending like that. Oh man, that's funny. Yeah, that's crazy. NVIDIA, though. Good little channel. What else has the Momo? Let's see my watch list on good old TOS. Of course, Palantir's leading it. Can't... You know, Square is one that I'm looking to be interesting here over the next couple weeks. Looking at that daily, they had a big pullback recently, and they started to have a big breakout there for a couple weeks, but starting to break back out now. Bouncing off supports. See that 5-minute chart. Looks pretty good. Nothing like overly crazy, but definitely pretty good. Yeah, I love them. I really do like them, Xbox. Sometimes I just get worried I'm going to get in trouble for saying them. That's all. I always like them. I'm not someone to be very offended about anything. Unless you say my chess move was bad. Then I'm going to be offended. But I'm not someone to really get too angry about any words or any anything going on different, you know, or anything like that. I'm pretty open-minded. I love to do the... I love eating sushi. No, I'm just joking. I like a lot of stuff. A lot of different things out there. I always like to say different strokes for different folks. Isn't that how it goes? I think. Yeah. Yeah, keeping it clean is a good thing. You guys don't have to keep it clean. It might help, but I think the algo like literally knows if I'm not keeping it clean. So algo, help me out here. Ooh. Yeah, look at PayPal. I saw Mike said they were going down in the Discord, and I decided to go look here. And dang, that is a bad drop. That's a terrible drop down. Like, why? SPY, double bottom. 409.50, still looking decent. It was a bad drop though today with those inflation numbers. Sorry, I was grabbing a drink of Monster real quick. Quote of the day: keep it clean for the stream. Keep it clean for the stream. I like it, Keisha. That is pretty good. He says BLDE. Blade Air. Wow, what is this? Blade Air Mobility. I gotta look this up. What is this? Sounds cool. Ooh, this is what I thought. Look at this. This is like exactly what I thought they were. Something like this. Look at this stuff. Oh my lordy lord. Oh my gosh, guys. Our future of the spaceships is coming true. Except how everyone thought it was spaceships, it's just airships. Just airships. When are we gonna start flying cars? Yeah. Oh, Xbox, it's not just for you. That's more of a quote for me, honestly. You're good to go, Xbox. I just have to watch repeating what you say. Sometimes you know how people will join, they'll try to get people to say bad stuff. They'll say like the first guy's name will be Mike, and then the last name will be Hunt. You know what I mean? So then like when you say his name, like Mike Hunt, you know, like you see what I'm saying? But that's his name, Mike Hunt. You know, it's how it is. But you know how, so that's just an example. Looking up Jobby, Joby, Joby or Jobby? Joby. No, I was looking up BLDE. Yeah, check out this, BLDE. It's pretty cool. The Nowhere Man said it. Nowhere Man. Yeah, this blade though. It's kind of cool. It says that they will use Eve's EVTOL, so I don't know what that is. It's an electric aircraft. Wow, they're going to do 60,000 flight hours per year. I hope we can buy some of these soon, guys. I'll tell you what. I get too worried about crashing my car. I don't know how I'd feel about this. Like, what happens whenever one of these things quits working, man? I don't know. I know it doesn't always happen, or it might be able to glide down safely, or yada, 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 but I don't know, man. There's always something. You could run into a flock of birds. I mean, hell, I've seen all types of stuff happen, but I don't know. I'd be scared as hell driving these things. Some of my favorite baseball players have died from flying aircrafts, actually. Believe it or not. Wow, Sean traded his first futures contract. That's awesome, Sean. That's great. I love futures, man. I know pretty much everything about the futures. I love that stuff. I used to know all the tick spreads even and stuff. Like, for example, if SPY moved, you know, it's 25 cents, it would be however many dollars. I think it's like $12.50 per tick on the SPY, isn't it? $12.50? Or on ES, I should say. I always say SPY. I mean the S&P. ES. That's awesome though, Sean. I'm glad you did that. I hope you like it. I will say, just be careful. It is a risky game. You know, it's a risky game. A little bit easier than options. Like, you don't have to worry as much about, like, theta and the pricing being as off and stuff like that. It's mainly just price action, but it's a lot of For the normal trader, it's normally a lot of money. Now I know Sean's a little older and he's a little, you know, he's been around a little longer than others, so he's been doing his research, I know. But I'm just saying this for everybody else. Futures can be a little bit risky because every time the SPY just moves a little bit, like let's go look at ES. Every time there's a 25-cent move, so if it goes from 41.31.25 up to 41.31.50, that's a tick. And every tick on here is worth like I said, like $12.50 or something. So like imagine if you buy it right here, like let's say we got some puts right here at 41.29.25 and it goes down to 41.20. You're talking like, I don't know, like $500 or something. Oh, he's doing some micros right now. I see. Sean says he wants to paper trade it a lot, get used to setting stop losses. Sean, if you're getting serious into it, I would really recommend that you check out Ninja Trader. Okay, Ninja Trader. In my opinion, they are the best for futures. This is where I traded them. Here's their pricing right here. Show you the pricing real quick. So here's what's badass about these guys. So look at the commissions. So there is commissions, of course, 99 cents a contract and stuff like that. So not too bad. And look at the margins. Now this is what's cool. Look at the margins that they have here. You could trade micro S&P 500 futures with only $50 in your margin. That's pretty insane. $500 if you intraday. If you do intraday plays, you can trade the ES contracts with only $500 in your margin. So it's pretty good. Then whenever you go down, there's a bunch more like M6E, micro Euro futures. Those are pretty good to trade too. I know 6E can be a good one. You can do the Canadian dollar, stuff like that. Ether. I guess he was trading Ether. Yeah, he was trading Ether there. Crypto futures. Sean, I would try, if I were you, I would try trading the MES a little bit. Or like MNQ. Sometimes those are pretty fun. Had some big moves on those. I don't know too much about the Ether, but I will say though, these the pricing on Ninja Trader is really cool in some of these senses. Yeah, this is the intraday margin though. Keep in mind, when I say the margin, that's intraday. So that means you have to buy the contract that day, close it that day. No holding through the close that day at all. No holding through on that one. But let me show you why Ninja Trader is actually so cool. I was actually trying to go to their website. It keeps just auto taking me to other stuff. So let me see if I can show you this here. Ninja Trader chart with stop losses. Here we go. Here we go. Just like this, Sean. Here we go. This is a perfect picture. Is it perfect, though? It doesn't look like it's like... So this is it, Sean, right here. So the cool thing with Ninja Trader, you can actually set up certain strategies so that, like, whenever you buy the position... So, like, if you look at this really closely where my mouse is right here, see how it says account and then it says ATM strategy. 3 target, 2-1 risk reward, yada, yada, yada. So what it does is, like, whenever you buy your position, it automatically puts all the stops on there and then all the, all the stops and then all the limits. So it pretty much, you can have like predefined strategies on there so that like every time you buy, it'll do that. And you can tick down this little arrow. Let me see if I can zoom in, make this cooler. Yeah, here we go. Making it really good now. So if you click down on this little arrow where it says ATM strategy, you could have 10 of these different strategies set up. So like, let's say you wanted to do one certain strategy on the S&P. And then you went out to the ether and you had a different strategy for that one. You know, maybe a higher risk reward or whatever it is. You know, it's cool though because it like auto puts those on there, and you can just like drag these up and down, and they auto like cancel and replace the order and all that stuff. It's a really cool platform for that, Sean. I'll tell you, if you're looking to do futures, and let's just say eventually you get into futures, check out NinjaTrader, guys. It's really one of the best ones. I also like TradeStation, but I like NinjaTrader more. For futures only, though. Futures only. But, hey, I appreciate you guys joining up today. We had a good stream. We went about an hour over today, so there we go. There we go, guys. Love doing this stuff with you. Maybe Friday we'll go all day again, you know, but hey, let's kill it today. You know, inflation came in crazy. We had a lot of volatility, but I feel like there's a lot of opportunities in the market, and we're going to have some big earnings coming up over the next couple days. So watch out for those. We'll be talking about it a little bit more in tonight's YouTube video. But other than that, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I know I looked at you guys all earlier in the chat, but thanks for joining up after we did that. Alan, Agni, Nowhere Man, thank you guys for joining up too, and Purdy. Appreciate you guys. But yeah, let's have a great day. Keep killing it out there. Hopefully you guys have a nice profitable morning, but looks like SPY is going to be falling back down here. So watch out for that selling pressure, and honestly, watch UVXY. I think that'll be a fun one to look at today. Have a good one, guys. I'll see you later.